At around 2030, our male staff, warder number 20794, Babiri Rajab, drowned in an irrigation dam in Buraura prison. The news was circulating that he was stealing fish. He was not actually stealing fish. It is an accident that happened while he was on duty guarding the irrigation dam. It was not a fish pond. Fish ponds, we know, don't go beyond 2 meters. Somebody cannot, actually 1 meter. So there is no fish pond which can kill an adult unless somebody is like drunk and thrown there. But this is an irrigation dam which was guarding the installations around that dam. And I got an accident, and his friend couldn't rescue him, so he died. It was an unfortunate incident. So to insinuate that this man died stealing fish was a little bit unfortunate. And we condole with the family. Everything else is being done accordingly. Also, on the morning of 15th of October, 2023, one of our female staff, number 6899, Wardress Anguskovia of Otuke Prison, Mid-Northern, was found dead near the barracks, outside the prison land. Apparently was coming from a promotion which was in the neighboring trading center. And the preliminary investigations indicated that she had been strangled dead by unknown silence. But fortunately, police dogs were brought in, and the 2 suspects have been apprehended by the names of Otim Francis and Okero Jore, and it is believed the main suspect, Omara Oscar, who is a known criminal, is on the run. But police and the other security agencies are doing everything to have him apprehended.